Hello everybody and welcome to part 3 of painting the axle on the Volvo. I'll introduce you to some lovely Scottish weather and some tidy new shades. You should always wear PPE because you might get metal in your eye, which I did on Tuesday, which isn't very fun. Anyway, we're going to do some axle painting today. We have the Hammerite silver, we've got a light, we've got an axle. Let's get on it.
All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain.
There we go. Hello! Yeah, let's do it. Number 2 bit. Number 2. Hello, axle done, axle done. Hello, axle done. Hello, axle done. Sounds like a really weird first name. Axle done, and the wee subframe is done. The subframe definitely never turned out as good as, as I hoped. I didn't expect it to turn out very good, but at least it's painted. Shouldn't rust anymore. Well, slow it down from rusting. I think it'll probably, both parts will need a second coat, because once the paint shrinks you'll start to see wee rusty bits through it again, and there's loads of little bits of hairy brush, but that's what happens when you spend £8 on 10 brushes. And then we'll probably wait and put the diff in another day because I don't want to risk dripping oil all over the paint and then it doesn't set. Apart from that, I don't know, maybe find something else to paint. Or maybe just go home and have a beer. Thinking that, let's go home and have a beer. Did bring the M3 out with me today, which you'll probably see on the channel at some point. I can come outside now that we've got some delicious Scottish weather. Whoop whoop, what's happening, sunshine? But yeah, we'll get this out on the channel at some point. I do have some injectors to fit to it. Some new EV6 spray pattern injectors which came with the car. I recently bought this, so I've not had it that long. Probably going to get a diff rebuild at some point because I'm a drifter and the LSD couldn't hack. Being beaten on, 2 weeks, gave up the ghost. We're getting a one wheel spin, one wheel not spin, which ain't very exciting. And then this will make a return. There's already one video on that, my very first video of me drifting it. Looks like it's been left for years, but it's only been 6 months maybe. We're going to get it out soon, I think. Apart from that, I'm going to sign off for today. Thanks for watching, take it easy.